Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. First off, I would like to give a massive thank you to everyone. Thank you for tuning in and watching. I hope you guys were entertained or at least learned something. I couldn't have come this far without everyone, so I really need to thank everyone for accompanying me on this journey and seeing where we go from here on. Now this video is going to be about what's happening with the Civic, the rules for the giveaway, how you're going to win it, and any other questions you might have. I'm making this video to explain the rules of the giveaway. But before that, I want to answer a question that I'm sure a lot of you are asking. Why? Why am I giving this car away? Well, there's a few reasons. For one, it is a project car. And being a project car, that means it's not done. I don't have the means to put more money into this to get it to where it'll be a super fun, reliable daily. And that's where you guys come in. I want to get this car to someone who's actually going to continue the build and build the car up to be what I know it can be. I started with the Civic because it was the easiest platform to get started with. I wanted to build a car, I didn't know what I was doing, so what best place to start than what's known as the most easiest platform to build? A Civic. Can't go wrong with that, right? Although I love the car, I do want to steer towards what my main goal is. And my main goal is eventually building my own GTR. Now to do that, I have to get more familiar with building Nissans. So the next car is definitely going to be a Nissan. I just don't know which one yet. Which leads me into the future of the channel. I really enjoyed building this car. I fell in love with the process, and I really want to continue building more cars. So I think it's best to let someone finish this and for me to lean into where I really want to be. Of course, the downside is that not every car I build is going to be a giveaway. I haven't decided on the details yet, but just know there is going to be future builds on the channel. Now, I sold my GTR for a lot of reasons. But one of the reasons I did it was to start this process. And the way I thought of it is, hey, I love the GTR. It's one of my favorite cars, and a lot of people get it built, but it's something about building something yourself that I don't know what it is. It's just, you take so much pride in it, and I guess you have more of a connection when you actually put your hands on a machine. Now, being that I never built anything, I think it would be pretty stupid to start on a vehicle like a GTR. Being that my car was pretty stock, aside from the exhaust, clean, never modified, I didn't think it was right for me to butcher up such a clean example. So I ended up selling it. Now, I definitely am gonna get another one, but before I do that, I wanna build myself up to get skilled enough so when I do get one, I can actually build it myself. Will I be able to? I honestly don't know. That car is very intimidating, but that's the plan, and I'm gonna stick with it because that's where I wanna be. I think it's important to never lose the vision of building for the love of it. Too many people build their vehicles to show off or, just to say they got a lot of money. I mean, that's cool and all, but for me, I just love the process. And I think it's very important to keep that in mind as we go further on in this channel of why we're doing this. But anyway, let's get to what you guys are really here for, the rules of the giveaway. Everyone who is subscribed to the YouTube channel and signed up to our email list on our website, ratedgtr.com, will automatically be entered. So don't feel pressured to purchase anything, unless you want to support the channel. Emails will be going out shortly to all those who have entered to confirm your entry and to get your base information. As I said before, the vehicle is a project car, so it will be given away as a non-street legal vehicle. Upon accepting the vehicle, you are accepting liability from that point forward. You'll get the title signed over to your name, and it's yours to do as you wish. We will be announcing the winner on March 27th, so make sure you guys stay tuned. You will have 30 days from the announcement to retrieve the vehicle. I can assist with transport, but it's up to the winner to secure transportation for the vehicle. We will be doing the draw live on March 27th on our YouTube channel, so tune in and see if you win. I'll be using an online random generator, so you guys can see I won't be picking the winner. It'll be AI or computer or internet or whatever those random generators run on. Now that's the core of the details. I'm sure you guys may have some questions, so leave them in the comments and I'll be sure to answer. I will admit, I do feel some attachment to the car after putting so much time into it, but honestly, it needs to go to someone who's gonna put much more love and attention and money into it than I can currently. Thanks again everyone for helping make this possible. Thank you guys for being here, and I can't wait to start on the next project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.